In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. If you want to write faster, capture ideas on the fly, or just give your hands a break, voice typing is a simple built-in feature that turns your speech into text with just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your Google Doc. This can be an existing document you want to add to, or a brand new one. Make sure you're in editing mode and that you have a stable internet connection. A quiet space and a working microphone will make a big difference here. The built-in mic on most laptops works fine, and a headset can help reduce background noise. Next, go to the menu at the top and choose Tools, then select Voice Typing. When you do this, a small microphone box will appear on the left side of your document. You can drag this box to a more convenient spot if it's in your way. When you're ready, click the microphone icon in that box. The mic will activate, and if your browser needs access to the microphone, you'll see a prompt asking for permission. Go ahead and allow it so your voice can be captured. Once permission is granted, the microphone icon will change to show it's listening. Now start speaking in your normal, clear voice. As you talk, your words will appear right in the document. Try to enunciate and keep a steady pace. You can guide punctuation by saying words like comma, period, question mark, or new line to move to a new paragraph. If you need to pause, simply stop speaking for a moment. Then continue when you're ready. You can also correct anything later with your keyboard, so don't worry if the transcription isn't perfect on the first pass. If you notice accuracy dropping, slow down a bit, keep the microphone a consistent distance from your mouth, and minimize background noise like fans or music. Speaking in complete sentences helps the system predict punctuation and capitalization more accurately. Remember, formatting and fine-tuning are easiest after you finish dictating, so focus on getting your ideas out first. When you're done, click the microphone icon again to stop voice typing. You can click it again anytime to resume, and your document will pick up exactly where you left off. From there, review your text, make quick edits, and apply any formatting you need. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Doc, go to Tools and choose Voice Typing, click the mic, allow access if prompted, speak, and click the mic again to stop. Happy dictating!